Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Today in the shop, we're gonna make a two-tiered trophy stand for a metal barge. This is for a local football organization in my area. So here's a slab I had, and I milled the other piece of the slab to make this double-decker. And this is just gonna fit like that, and they're gonna engrave plaques throughout the coming seasons. So stick around and smash that like button. Thanks for watching. This table saw sled works really well. I pre-cut a 45-degree slot and a 90-degree slot. Now, one thing I would add is some T-track with maybe some hold downs. That'll help you get even more exact cuts. But I didn't have the time to do that. And this sled's been built for a couple of years. I just like to line the boards up. If you can match the grain pattern, great. It doesn't always work out. And this blue tape works really well for making boxes. This is how I make boxes, jewelry boxes. It works great. I'm just using some of the Titebond Quick and Thick. It runs a lot less, so I've been liking that quite a bit. It's not a perfect, on one of the corners, I've got a slight gap. A lot of times you can run a screwdriver edge along it, and that will flatten the grain to kind of hide that. But I'm probably going to use a little wood filler from sawdust of this project and a little glue. This was a jewelry box. I'd spend a little more time on that. And this is the barge. This is a metal prototype barge that's going to be painted for a trophy. This is a trophy display. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make a comment.